Alrighty, it's time for our thankful book. I know that we've been talking about a lot of things that we're thankful for. Every single time you open up the book, though, make sure you're practicing reading it. So let's go. I Am Thankful by Mrs. Ernest. You shouldn't have read Mrs. Ernest. You should have read yours. Go ahead and read the things that you were thankful for. Now let's read this together. I am thankful for many things. Page 1, nice job. The next one, read the things that you were thankful for. Now let's read this sentence together. I am thankful for the food that I eat. Nice job. What were you thankful for up here? And you should have a couple more pictures drawn. Let's read it together. I am thankful for the clothes that I wear. And now we're going to switch to the next page. When we get to a double page like this, remember it's kind of a good idea to fold your page back or to at least make sure you're on the same number as me. I'm not on 5 yet. I'm over here on 4. So go ahead and circle that 4 to make sure you do it on this side, okay? And like I said, if you want to flip back your page so you can only see page 4, that's always really helpful too. Okay, let's figure out what we're going to draw today. I am thankful for the blank that I live in. I forgot to circle my sight words. I. But what do you live in? I know. We live in a house. If you live in something other than a house, you could get a helper to help you write this. But I think most of us live in a house. So we're going to start with the H. Ow, how. That ow sound is an O and a U. House. S. Good job. House also has a silent E at the end of it. And when we're writing words and we want to make sure we got the right word and the right letters, it's okay to get some help. But there have to be some times in some of the letters in the words that you can hear. Okay, so today's is just going to be a house, and it has to be your house. Okay? My house happens to be yellow and brown. So I'm going to start with the yellow. It's going to be hard to see, so I think I will also add a little bit of brown. I have a 2-story part of my house here. And I've drawn my house for you before. And then I have a brown part of my house over here. And then I have this rocks that go up, my front door right there. This side of my house happens to be brown. What is yours? This is where all those little rocks are. I have like 3 different textures or 3 different things that make up my house. I have rocks that go up the side of it. I have brown siding. And then over here, I actually have a roof that goes like that too. Over here, I have yellow siding. I forgot to make my windows. I have a big window here. It used to be 2 windows, and I think last time I drew it, but now I think it's 3 windows. I think it's 3 windows. And then I have a big window up here. Isn't that funny that Mrs. Ernest doesn't remember? And then this is yellow siding. Go ahead and make your house. I know you can't see this yellow, but I'm going to still color it in anyway. It's kind of funny. We did not make our house yellow. It was that color when I bought it, but I think it's kind of funny because yellow is my favorite color. All right. When you're done making your house, you should also make some other things. Like I'm going to make a sun up here in the corner. And the reason I'm making the sun is because we need something to label. So Mrs. Ernest wants you to label something on this page. I'm going to label the sun, and you could label the sun with me. But then you could label the window. You could label a door. Maybe you could label a rock or a brick if you have a rock or a brick on your house. I have a rock, so I could write rock down here. I have to get a new pen. This one keeps stopping on me. And it happens to be a C and a K. And then I could draw an arrow to a rock. So that would tell me that I have a rock down there. You could write the word sun and label your sun, your roof, your siding, the color. You could even write the color of your house if you want. But I'd like to see you have at least 3 more things that you label. Okay? So 3 things that you label, and you wrote the word house. Good job, kindergartners. I am very thankful for my house, and I bet you are thankful for yours.